everyone, and today I'm back again. Today I'm going to be unboxing a very special doll. She's actually retired and she's got a disability. So let's open it up. Wait. It's exactly what I was imagining her to be. Oh my gosh, no way. It's really hard to open. I want you to see my address. Alright. Yes, it is exactly what I was imagining it to be. It's the retired doll I wanted. I've been wanting her for such a long time. Come on. Get her out of the box. Alright. So, this is your last chance to guess which one it is. It's 3, 2, 1. It's just Kendrick, the Girl of the Year 2020. Oh, my mom's just helping me open the box. So here she is. All right, let's get her out. All right, so here she is. Now let's just get her unboxed. Now I actually have 2 copies of her book now. And it says no hearing aid only fits in doll's right ear. And here's the underwear that she comes with and the hearing aid case. Comes with 2 hearing aids. So now let's open her. So I just noticed something. Her arms and legs are not strapped in, just her neck. This always happens to me, the hairnet that's stuck to the neck supporter. Alright, hold on, let me just fix her hairnet. Alright. Somehow she's not in her meat hairstyle for some reason. I don't know if she's used or not used. Oops. I have 2 copies of her book. So here she is. Let me just try to pop her hearing aid in. Then she can hear everyone. Alright. So now her hearing aid is in her, as you can see. And yeah, I don't think you'll be able to fit it in her left ear. If I try to fit it in, it will just pop back right out. So it contains an extra hearing aid in case if this one gets ruined. And a little brush that's actually plastic, but you can use it to clean the hearing aid. So yeah. Here she is. She's the newest doll. I don't know why she didn't come with her meat hairstyle, but it came like my hairstyle, all like this. And here's her hearing aid. And to take it out is so easy. You just literally pop it out. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Sorry it's a bit short. My last one is much longer. But anyways, I think that's it. And there's nothing else in her box. So, bye. I need to stop.